you have to replace a switch in layer 3. I'm going to show you how.
Alright, as you can see, we have this switch. This is a layer 3. So we're going to remove these two adapters and we're going to put it here in the new one. As you can see, it's huge. We're going to remove it from here like that. This is one of the adapters that came separately. So you have the locking mechanism over there, and then you put it like that, you screw it in, and that's it. And usually you have this here that just remove, you push it like that, remove them, and then put the other ones, and that's it. So keep working. I need both hands. All right, we're removing the brackets so that way everything is taking the other one. All right, now we are going to put this on this side, and then back to the rack, and that's it. So we have the bracket in the other side. I don't like it, they're not long enough, but you know, that is what they have. All right, as you can see, I just put this here, this in the front, I'll do the same thing in the other side, and that's it. Okay, this is the rack. That's it, everything is ready to go now. All right, as you can see, I'm removing the modules here, always taking the screws here. They are putting them there. Alright, as you can see, we are connecting all the fiber, and we should be good in a little bit, and we have to upload the configuration. Okay, as you can see, everything is good as before. Now we have to load the configuration. In back, we have the power cord that we have to plug in. We have to connect the console cable over there, and we should be good. Right, as you can see, everything is up and running. All the lights, we have to connect the cable over there, the console. We have the laptop here, and that's it. Alright, once everything is plugged in, all you have to do is just open PARI, and then copy and paste the configuration, and that's it. Everything is up and running, so you have to use the cable just in case. In this case, the hanging part is good. If you have any questions, just let me know, and see you next time.